In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Hostinger efficiently and effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you understand exactly what to do and what to expect. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's official website. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll see the login option at the top of the page. Clicking on that will direct you to a field where you can enter your email address and password. Type these credentials carefully and hit the enter key or the sign in button. You'll be directed to your account's dashboard, and from there, we'll move on to the next step. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll look for the domain section. It's usually found in your main menu or dashboard sidebar. Once you've located it, click on Domains, which will bring up a list of all the domains you currently manage under your account. Here, find the domain you wish to manage further and head over to the option that says Manage Domain. Clicking on Manage Domain will display a new set of options related to domain management. The key thing we're looking for is an option that says Cancel or Request Refund. This option might not be immediately visible, depending on the layout and any updates to Hostinger's interface, but it should be located somewhere in the domain management settings. If you're having difficulty locating it, use the search functionality at the top of the page to help guide you directly to the refund request option. Clicking on Cancel or Request Refund will lead you through a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to gather all the necessary information to process your refund efficiently. Read each prompt carefully and follow the instructions as they appear on your screen. Make sure you have all your necessary details handy, such as order numbers or specific service details, as these may be required during the refund request process. Once you've submitted your refund request by following all the on-screen prompts, the next step is to wait for a confirmation. Hostinger will review your request, and once it's processed, you'll receive an email confirming whether the refund has been approved. It's always a good idea to monitor your email inbox, including your spam or promotional folders, as confirmation emails sometimes end up there. Should you encounter any issues, or if a significant amount of time has passed without receiving a confirmation, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's customer support for assistance. They can provide updates on the status of your request or assist with any other inquiries you may have about your account or services. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to successfully request a refund on Hostinger. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear, providing you with the information needed to navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and guides.